And this one is a very good and recommended one because it's very fast and it's going to revert back in time all the changes that happened in your database. So Flashback is a very cool technology we have in Oracle database. You should rely on that as one of your rollback methods. The only thing is that it requires Enterprise Edition. So if you don't have Enterprise Edition, you can't use it. You need your database to be in archive log mode. And when you use it, you cannot change compatible, okay? So don't forget, you can change compatible. If you change the compatible and you try to go back to that GRP, you have an error. So this is a very good method, and that's why Auto Upgrade automatically uses it when you have an Enterprise Edition database. So how does it work? If you want to go in a manual way, before starting your upgrade process in your pre-upgrade environment, you create a guaranteed restore point. Then you run your upgrade. Now imagine that after running your upgrade, you need to roll back to that point in time before the upgrade. So you need to flashback. What you do is in your post-upgrade environment where you had the failure, you shut down the database, you start up your database in mount mode in that post-upgrade environment, and then you flash back the database to that GRP that you created, okay? So the GRP here in this example is named before upgrade. Then you shut down your database in that post-upgrade environment and start back your database in the pre-upgrade environment. And finally, you alter database open reset logs mode to open your database again as it was before. So we really recommend you to use GRP as one of your rollback methods, but don't forget to drop the GRP after you no longer need it. Otherwise, your fast recovery area can grow and then you run out of space on this area.